Okay, students, for lesson 2.7, you're actually going to be working with a partner on this. You'll each need a computer, and you need to decide who's going to be student A and who's going to be student B. So if you are student A, here's the part of the video you need to watch. You're going to go up to New, and you're going to click on Google Docs. But first, you need to be in your Computer 7 folder. Then you can do New, Google Docs. You're going to name it 2.7. Okay? So then what you need to do is you need to share it with partner B. So you'll click on the share button and you'll start typing in their email. So for example, you'll type in 2023 and their last name. So for this example, I'll use Abigail Bemis. So I start typing in her last name for her email and see how it comes up with her name there. I just click on it. She needs to be able to edit this document because she's going to type in it as well. And then I'd click on send, so she got the email. Okay? But for this I'm going to cancel. So she'd get the email. Alright? She'd wait about 10 seconds and then she'd open up her Google Drive too. Okay? So this is for student B. If you're student B and they just shared with you the document, you need to go and click on Shared with Me, and it'll be the most recent document right here. You'll see something called 2.7 from your partner, and you'll double click on it to open it up so you can type on a shared document. This is a document that's shared with all of us teachers that we type on. Okay? So what you guys are going to do as student A and student B, if you go to question number 6, it tells you student A is going to type, "What is your name?" question mark, and hit enter twice. Okay? And if you guys go all the way to the back page, it has all the questions, or the second to the last page. In figure 2.7, figure A, it has the question. So the next question is, how old are you? Question mark. Then it's, what street did you grow up on? I'm sorry, what street do you live on? What street do you live on? Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 questions student A is going to type. Now, while student A is typing those questions, student B can click right here behind them and start answering, just like this. Okay? Can start answering. So start answering the questions. And if you don't know what street you grew up on, or you don't know some of the other answers, just make them up. That's fine, okay? Then when you do all 10 questions, you guys flip roles. So student B types out the questions for student A. What is your name? Okay, and then student B answers whatever their name is. They'll type that in there, okay? So it's pretty simple. Now, if you guys look, they want you to do a little bit of editing to it. So the very back page, it shows you that student B's answers, they're going to be highlighted and formatted in green, and student A's answers are going to be highlighted and formatted in purple. And I think they have a few other formats. If you follow the directions 6 through direction 15. Once you get to direction 15, and you've done all this, you're done, and then only student A can turn it into Google Classroom. Okay? Only student A can turn it into Google Classroom. So that's how it's going to work, because student A owns the document. Student B, it was just shared with them. So pretty simple assignment, and hopefully you enjoy it and you have fun.